Have you ever wondered about a city that paints itself in shades of blue? Picture a place nestled in the heart of the Rif Mountains, where every building is washed in a tranquil hue of azure. This is Chefchaouen, Morocco, a city that revels in its unique identity. A place where every street, every corner, every stairway is bathed in a sea of calming blue. A soothing contrast against the rugged brown mountains that cradle it. But why blue, you ask? That's part of the mystery that makes Chefchaouen so captivating. Some say it's to ward off mosquitoes. Others believe it's a symbol of the sky and heaven. Or perhaps it's just a reflection of the city's calm and serene atmosphere. Regardless of the reason, Chefchaouen's blue-rinsed buildings make it a gem unlike any other. Join us as we delve into the heart of Chefchaouen, the blue pearl of Morocco. What if you could taste a culture, one bite at a time? Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm, aromatic tagine, the quintessential Moroccan dish that's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. Each mouthful tells a story of Chefchaouen, a city where food is a vibrant tapestry of history, tradition, and community. At the heart of Chefchaouen's culinary scene is the humble tagine, a slow-cooked stew brimming with tender meat, local vegetables, and a symphony of spices. The secret to its rich, complex flavor lies in its namesake cooking vessel, a conical clay pot that traps heat and moisture, infusing every bite with the essence of Morocco. But the culinary delights of Chefchaouen extend beyond tagine. The city is also known for its mint tea, a refreshing blend of green tea, fresh mint leaves, and a generous spoonful of sugar. Served in ornate glasses, this sweet and aromatic drink is not just a beverage, but a symbol of hospitality, friendship, and tradition. Yet the true stars of Chefchaouen's gastronomy are the fresh local produce that lend their flavors to these iconic dishes. The city's bustling food markets are a visual and sensory feast, brimming with stalls that overflow with ripe fruits, vibrant vegetables, aromatic herbs, and an array of spices. Here the air is perfumed with the scent of fresh mint, coriander, and the earthy aroma of cumin, the holy trinity of Moroccan cuisine. As you wander through these markets, you'll see locals haggling over the price of fresh olives, vendors expertly filleting the catch of the day, and bakers pulling hot, crusty loaves from traditional clay ovens. It's a culinary ballet that unfolds daily, a testament to Chefchaouen's rich food culture. Chefchaouen has a way of making you feel at home, even if you're miles away from your own. Its cuisine, a harmonious blend of flavors, textures, and aromas, invites you to take a seat at the table to share in the city's stories, traditions, and heritage. It's a culinary journey that's as enriching as it is delicious. Chefchaouen offers a culinary journey that you won't soon forget. What stories do the blue walls of Chefchaouen whisper to you? As we delve deeper into the architectural wonders of this city, the influence of Andalusian design becomes more apparent. The city's architecture is a striking blend of Moorish and Andalusian styles, a testament to the periods of history that have shaped its aesthetic. Imagine walking down narrow, winding streets, each turn unraveling a new perspective of the city. It's a labyrinth of blue, where each structure is painted in various shades of azure, cobalt, and sky blue. This unique tradition of rinsing buildings in blue is believed to have spiritual significance, symbolizing the sky and heaven. It also serves a practical purpose, helping to keep the houses cool during the hot summer months. Now let's turn our attention to some key architectural landmarks. The Kasbah, a fortress that stands tall in the heart of Chefchaouen, is a symbol of the city's past. Built in the 15th century, it houses a garden, a museum, and an art gallery that showcase the local art, history, and culture. The architecture is a stellar example of Moorish design, with its crenellated towers and ornate archways. Not far from the Kasbah, we find the Grand Mosque. Unlike many mosques in Morocco, it doesn't boast a minaret. Instead, it features a unique octagonal tower, a characteristic rarely seen in Islamic architecture. The simplicity and serenity of its design echo the tranquil ambiance of Chefchaouen. The city's architectural landscape is also peppered with charming plazas, ornate doorways, and quaint balconies, each telling a different tale of Chefchaouen's rich history. The blend of traditional and modern elements in the city's architecture paints a vivid picture of its cultural evolution. As we wander through the city, we realize that each blue-rinsed building, each winding street, and each architectural landmark is a chapter in the story of Chefchaouen. The architecture of Chefchaouen is a testament to its rich history and cultural heritage. What if you could immerse yourself in the rhythm of life in Chefchaouen? For a moment, let's dive into the heart of this enchanting city, where culture and traditions are as vivid and striking as the blue of its buildings. Chefchaouen is not just a city, it's a living, breathing canvas of Moroccan heritage, a symphony of sights and sounds that tells a story of a proud and vibrant people. Chefchaouen's culture is a harmonious blend of Berber, Andalusian, and Moorish influences, each leaving its distinct mark on the city's traditions. From the music that fills the air to the art that adorns the walls, every element of Chefchaouen's culture is a testament to its rich history and diverse heritage. As we delve deeper into the city's culture, the city's festivals stand as vibrant celebrations of this rich tapestry of traditions. The annual Musim of Sidi Ali Ben Hamdouche is a particular highlight, a spiritual and cultural festival that brings together music, dance, and a deep sense of community. It's a time when the city buzzes with energy and the spirit of festivity permeates every corner of Chefchaouen. Music is the soul of Chefchaouen, with traditional Andalusian music echoing through the city's narrow blue streets. It's not just in the grand concerts or festivals, but in the everyday life of Chefchaouen, from the local musicians strumming their ouds in the corners of the Medina to the vibrant beats that accompany traditional dances. Art is another cornerstone of Chefchaouen's culture. The city is a hub for traditional crafts, with weaving and pottery reflecting centuries-old techniques passed down through generations. These crafts are more than just beautiful objects. They are tangible expressions of Chefchaouen's cultural identity, each piece telling a story of the city's past and present. The culture of Chefchaouen is as vibrant and unique as its blue streets. The city is a living museum, a testament to the resilience and creativity of its people. Every festival, every song, every piece of art is a thread in the intricate tapestry of Chefchaouen's culture, a culture that welcomes you to immerse yourself in its rhythm and vibrancy. Are you ready to explore a city that exists like a dream, bathed in blue? Imagine yourself walking down the cobblestone streets of Chefchaouen, a city that's as magical as it is ethereal. The picturesque blue houses, the friendly locals, the vibrant markets, and the tantalizing aromas wafting from the local eateries all come together to create an experience that's truly one of a kind. We encourage you, fellow travelers, to take the road less traveled and make your way to this enchanting city. And when you do, here are a few tips to make your journey even more memorable. The best time to visit Chefchaouen is during the spring and autumn months, when the weather is pleasantly warm and the city is less crowded. This allows you the luxury of exploring at your own pace without having to jostle for space in the narrow alleyways. And while you're there, don't forget to immerse yourself in the local culture. Strike up a conversation with the locals. They're known for their warmth and hospitality and are always eager to share stories about their city and its rich history. You never know, you might just pick up a few words of Darija, the Moroccan dialect, along the way. When it comes to food, be adventurous. Try the local delicacies like the mouth-watering tagine or the sweet and flaky pastilla. And if you're a fan of shopping, the local markets are a treasure trove of traditional Moroccan crafts, from hand-woven rugs to beautifully crafted pottery. Chefchaouen is not just a city, it's an experience. It's a place that invites you to leave behind the mundane and step into a world that's steeped in tradition, yet vibrant and alive. It's a place that stirs your senses, ignites your curiosity, and leaves you with memories that last a lifetime. Chefchaouen, the blue pearl of Morocco, awaits you. So, when are you packing your bags? All good things come to an end, but the memories of Chefchaouen will last a lifetime. With that thought, we draw close to our journey through the enchanting blue streets of Chefchaouen, the culinary delights that tantalized our taste buds, and the architectural wonders that marked the passage of time. Chefchaouen, with its unique blend of culture and tradition, has left an indelible imprint on our hearts. Its cobalt blue alleys whisper tales of the past, while its vibrant marketplaces hum with the rhythm of the present. And yet, Chefchaouen is but a single gem in the treasure trove that is Morocco. So as we bid adieu to Chefchaouen, we also extend an invitation. An invitation to delve deeper, to learn more about Morocco and its myriad of bustling cities, tranquil deserts, and breathtaking coastlines. To immerse oneself in the stories they hold and the experiences they offer. As we say goodbye to the Blue City, remember, there's a whole world out there waiting for you to explore. Until next time.